everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance A Little Wait. The song is Little Wait, the artist is King George, and the choreography is SHERIKA, NICOLE. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And here we go.
Let that thing up a little weight on the bottom. You gotta be too soft. If you really want to do something, you gotta be too soft. You really want to do something. Girl, I like a little cushion, or whatever I'm pushing. Good luck, I tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I don't see nothing wrong with all that you got going on. Tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I like a little cushion, or whatever I'm pushing. Good luck, I tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I don't see nothing wrong with all that you got going on. Tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Ain't nothing like a big fat woman, 'cause you coming with a whole lot of love, man. Tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Come here, girl, let me show you how I do. When I'm in it, I'ma hold on to the tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Said I love being out on the road, yes sir. Seeing the side say overside low. Tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Big girl got it going on, got enough to last all night long. Back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I like a little cushion, or whatever I'm pushing. Good luck, I tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I don't see nothing wrong with all that you got going on. Tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I like a little cushion, or whatever I'm pushing. Good luck, I tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I don't see nothing wrong with all that you got going on. Tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. There we go, say beep, beep, beep. That's the way the booty sound when she back it up. Ooh, we watch out, make room. Big mama got ass like a truck, say beep, 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 beep. That's the way the booty sound when she back it up. Ooh, we watch out, make room. Big mama got ass like a truck, say big girl, back it up, come on, big girl. Back it up, come on, big girl, yeah. Back it up a little weight, don't bother me. Say big girl, back it up, ooh, big girl, yeah. Back it up, come on, big girl, yeah. Back it up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I like a little cushion, or whatever I'm pushing. I tell her back that thing on up a little weight, don't bother me. Girl, I don't see nothing wrong with all that you got going on. Tell her back that thing.
feel a little weight. As a friendly reminder, I'm going to post the instructional at the end of this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.